Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so midin de adwoa search and then the day the kaya wo de ehwe me a mesra wo na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so wo be notification and sa ne news de betum bia wo be nya bia tie anase wo be nya bia hwe wo GCN page ha. Honorable Kwadwo Nuama NPP former MP na ode ensem bia atudwa afa Vice President Dr. Bawumia no ho a sebio ense emfata enam so na program a wo hosti wo Untumi TV awa to the din di Bawumia ho adanse nipa na o hosti no ono so wa keka na dwen de a kire Honorable Kwadwo Nuama enya asem keto akra wo kira se honorable o ye doctor enti sometimes o kasa ma wo kasa ho enti because one na wo se wo ye doctor enema bi wo ho a ensem fata se obeye na nipa na o host di Bawumia ho adanse program no o kire se sometimes o tenase na o hwe enema bi a NPP fo mpanifo ni bi eya he doesn't think far, he doesn't think madness at all because mpanifo we yankofo bia na omo eka Vice President Dr. Bawumia no ho ensempa ye papa na ende ya akwenya be da ho a ese Vice President etimi ebeye president e wo Ghana hanom no kame akwa ese mpanifo kuria esanso eka ensemfi de egu Vice President Dr. Bawumia ne ho na ensema Honorable Kwadwo Nuama eka ina ene se ense emfata se NPP omo ebeye north na flag bearer de ama party ne enye sa emboa na adofo di Bawumia ho adanse eye program wo hosti wo Untumi TV eye program a omo de eka Vice President Dr. Bawumia no ho ensempa omo bo Vice President ne ho dawuru eka ne ho nseme kire Ghana fo se ne be ya 2024 ebetumi ato aba ede ama no because omo susu se Vice President eye obi a onye corrupt and afenso obeye president eye ade a wabwa His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo no mo atoto ne meye a citizens no ende ye ho aheha yen ewo eneme bim nti say Vice President Kenekia NPP party no kra no Vice President abe serve party ni ye nti no empanifo no it's about time mo take a good decision na mo to aba ede ema Vice President Dr. Bawumia no obeye flag bearer de ma NPP party na 2024 yet no so aba na Vice President Dr. Bawumia ebetoa eniama pa His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo abe no so na di Bawumia ho adanse program ne de omo kan ne mapafa Vice President no anya asem keto akra and obete Vice President aye sin ene unim na so obe free program ne so na obe kan Bawumia no ho asem bone dia ene nipa na o host no asem just obe kan asem akro pa no who say yes or can some actual or host program no person obi abefre ebe kan Vice President no asem bone because also Vice President oye nipa de onye angel na emo no obeye Vice President Ghana for yente no asem bone bia na yente ensema eye former NPP MP Honorable Kwadwo Nuama ede etudwe nam so a di Bawumia ho adanse programming omokeka amadwen ede ekere no ensem say na Honorable ede etudwa and I quote, "We can't take the risk of making a Northerner NPP flag bearer, former NPP MP." Inti ensem we na Honorable Kwadwo Nuama ede atudwa. Na eno na di Bawumia ho adanse program ne so omo ekire say sa tribalism no adoso is about time say tribalism no muye efi politics oko NDC ma ebi wo ho oba NPP ma ebi ewo ho obi ye Northerner onye nipa na obi ye Fantia onye nipa na obi asantine onye nipa na ye na nipa baako into a Northerner no be the party anymore. What is wrong? Into beka say enye say NPP for omo mana Northerner ebeye flag bearer into no di Bawumia ho adanse program ne so no mo ekire say eye Honorable Kwadwo Nuama oye opinion sometimes o kasa na o kasa ho enti ne enti nsema ekoso ewo di Bawumia ho adanse program ne so
ofaya ema politics inti enye sade no wate ofaya wo wonu onyamo ya bobi asamo wo ye lawyer wo wonu onyamo antoto na se wate lawyer ni nkoka we na e wo Peace FM na nkoka we na ya wo ye so obuo ni wo mu ni ka kire one unyo obuo da. Hey, you have to be consistent, you have to be honest. If something is red, let the whole world know that it's red. Simple. Stop being hypocrite. Kotia Kwebi so. Kotia Kwebi. Fari to so. Ono so ono abo kojo ni ama. Tie, mutie. Tie kojo ni ama no. We can't take the risk of making a Northerner NPP flag bearer. Why former MPA? Sa former insuye. We can't take the risk of making a Northerner NPP flag bearer. Former Anasan baby. Me amunyi free so former Anasan baby. Yeah, former Anasan baby mu. Munyi free so. If we so make amasam. Former Anasan baby. A dear program krenia. Obia obeka sebia obehu awieye former me put the idea same. Eza me bosa former so. So hey. Wa wo fi ohu former no former shame. Ohu yi. When masama waka. Enti MPP pa when we from Dr. Phil. I mean and somebody called you. I bought video no man answer bought video no. But the same Dr. Nyama no. Bon video. Na me kasa bon video. The same Dr. Nyama bon video. What about video no?
Obi wo economics na obi wo bibi. Omo pe obi.
Me chachuchi kata. Se me didi amen na Ghana be say there enye problem nti okoi. Meba. Sorry. Enti okoi say wonu wodi waji ni sika na say Ghana be say a ensay nti okoi. Now Omaya wi na NDC youth organizers Razak no. I'm very happy. Say police for I take you on so mo hwehwe no. Na ye be che no so. Now empanifo asesa anansi wo fie aye misa de onwene ntentan. Se kwekwa nansi wo fie na ukoto ntentan wo ho a ye misa se hwan na nwene ntentan we. In a house full of spiders. In a house full of spiders. We do not ask who made the web. And as Wofie was a one and you in time. Saying this for about to na violence, Ukobisa say, Ebani saying they are criminals. In fact, Matia Kwana Semnidi or see your leadership and I catch sir, and who are the leadership? And say Dunkatia now is the leader of the party, chairman. And unto Omoan Kasa Koto Abano, Omo ye example the Ghana for say, ya humponi, or fat that dear Sheninia, they know they are denchino bam. That deal, they are putting near trim. No kuno, some will be, or more who knew, no more catch the Ghana for say, Modia Mopa Mumfa to me, my number who dear debate. Now, Yate, my mu Ghana. And I call it down the near back catch us on the Nipekum. Well, Kusa, and idea way. NDC for you. Anita the so at you by election or the car. At you far crasso, and my credit woo Anita the so. The car bore young chada onim bonnet. Abapimne. Me kaipa kokoma omuchicha NPP for yes kafra sorry mun kafra omuchicha good morning Haj NPP for me enu ewo kokoma market because they omu yeah NPP sympathizers, therefore we want to put everybody would the NPP she said keep quiet. Yes. I'm found some kosheho, mammy. I'm found some kosheho. Kafra. Okay? Don't try it. A bit proud. Sorry. Ebepimne, ye woman. NDC for you. NDC for you. Now, I want to say, you're paying for. Listen to the video again. Or say, you're paying for. And now, actually, say, you're for power. Ghana for, is that what you want?